Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the topic that is classification of business activities related with the chapter Nature and Purpose of Business, class 11. So when we are talking about the classification of business activities, so business activities can be classified on various bases, but one of the main bases of classification is the function which they are performing. So on the basis of the function, the business activities are divided into two parts. One is industry and the another one is commerce. So there are two major components which we will be discussing, that is industry and commerce. Now what is industry? Industry is a particular place where production, processing, rearing, reproduction of the animal is taking place. So industry is basically a place where they are giving some form utility to the product. Unless and until the raw material is converted into any finished goods, it cannot be consumed by the consumer. So industry is that place. When we are talking about industry, again that industry is divided into three parts. One is primary industry, then secondary industry, and then third one tertiary industry. So these are three major subdivisions of industries. When we are talking about primary industry, it is related with the extraction of the material from the natural resources. So when we are talking about the extraction of material from the natural resources, here we are talking basically about two industries, that is extractive and genetic. Again it is divided into two parts, that is extractive industry and genetic industry. In extractive industries, the extraction of the material takes place from the natural resources like ores from the earth, or let's say fishes from the seas, or any other aquatic animal from the aquatic bodies. So this is extractive industry. And when we are talking about genetic industry, the rearing, reproduction of the animal, breedings of the animal like cattle farming, dairy farming, poultry are some of the example of the genetic industry. Then we move to secondary industry. In the secondary industry, what is being done? In secondary industry, the material which is being supplied from the primary industry in the form of a raw material or a semi-finished goods is converted into a finished goods. So in secondary industry also we have got manufacturing industry, and constructive industry. In manufacturing industry, what is being done? The production of the goods or the service take place in the manufacturing industries. The raw material is converted into the finished goods. In manufacturing industries, we are manufacturing the goods related with the daily consumption and all those goods which are also being used in the industry. So there are consumer goods as well as industrial goods. In constructive industry, the construction takes place. It is related with those type of work in which the raw materials like cement, iron, steel is being used in order to create some structure like roads, buildings, dams, etc. So there are two parts of secondary industries, that is manufacturing and constructive. Now we move to tertiary industry. Tertiary industry is related with all the service providing sector. Those service providing sectors or the industries without which the smooth functioning of the business cannot take place nowadays, because there are number of obstacles or hurdles which are to be removed. So in this we are seeing that in order to remove the obstacle related with the finance, there is a banking service. The banking or the financial services provided by the various segments, they help in removing the obstacle related with funds, removing the obstacle related with the collection of payment, making the payment to the different traders living in distant cities. So all these problems are being solved by the banking or financial sector. Then we move to transportation. This is related with the movement of goods. The goods are produced at a particular place, but the goods are consumed at the distant places. So in order to move the goods from one place to another place, there is a need of a good transportation sector, so that the goods can be easily moved and within no time period. So the transportation sector has helped in removing this obstacle related with place. Then comes warehousing. Warehousing has helped in removing the problem related with time. It has created the time utility in the product, because there is a gap between the production and the consumption of goods, and in order to provide the goods at the right time and at the right place, we have to store those goods as they are being produced throughout the year. But there are certain goods in which the demand is created for a particular time period only. So these goods are to be stored properly. So the problem related with the storage was solved by warehousing. Then another segment is insurance. The businessman wants to cover all the risk of the business. He is always afraid that he might suffer some losses due to the natural calamities or the disasters, or maybe the goods might be lost by fire, lost by theft, or there should be any mechanical problem due to which there is a defects in the goods. So all these losses will be recovered by the businessman from the insurance company by paying an amount in the form of premium to them. So the insurance company cover all the risk of the business. Then we move to the next, that is related with advertisement. Another sector that is related with the information or spreading the information or spreading the awareness in the consumer related with the goods, quality of the goods, uses of the goods. Because unless and until the consumer know this thing, that which type of goods are being made available, what are the uses of those goods, and how they can get those goods, from where they can get those goods from, they will not be able to create the demand for that goods. So advertisement helps in spreading the information, and it is one of the good sales promotion technique also. So these tertiary industries, they help in the smooth functioning of the business. So by going through this, I am sure that the various types of industries are clear to you.